and C to D, then you consider B to D. See, that consider to be B to D, that minimum of B to D, it is B to C plus C to D. Take it like this. Minimum B to D, what? B to, okay, B to D. B to D is infinity is there. Then B to C is 5 plus C to D is 1. Okay, in this the value will become of 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is minimum or infinity minimum? Anyway, that is 6 is a minimum. You have to take consider like that. Then B to D, where is B to D? Yes, this one. I am replacing that one into 6. Infinity replaced to 6. Like that you have to calculate. Next combinations. Next combinations. We consider this. You are now considering D to C into again this way. Take one from the column and make a combination with all three. D to C, C to A, consider to be D to A. Yeah, D to A, write it as a minimum of D to A, that written as D to C plus C to A. The minimum of D to A. D to A is what? D to A. D to A 6 is there. D to A 6 is there. Then D to C. D to C is 9 plus C to A is 9. C to A is 9 and D to C is 9. Say what is the 9 plus 9 is 18 or 6. Which is best one is minimum one is 6 is minimum. Anyway, it is straight path is a minimum. See, 6 is only minimum. D to A is minimum. Don't want to replace because already it is written 6 is the best. No need to change the value. That was value also 6. This was a 6. No need to change. The next combination take it. This D to C and C to B. D to C and C to B. Consider to be D to B. That is written as minimum of D to B can be written as D to C plus C to B. Then minimum is okay, D to B, D to B is infinity. See here, this is D to B is infinity. Then D to C is 9 plus C to B is 7. Then what is the values? Infinity better or 16 is better? 16 is better one. That is a fine. That is the minimum one. You can consider to be infinity. Then you have to replace. Then this D to B. Okay, D to B, it is value, we got it 16. We got it. Now next combination, next one. Make next combination. Next combination is D to C, C to D. See, D to C, C to D, consider to be D to D. D to D comes or A to A or C to C, same you will come off. No need to calculate. That is answer will be 0 only. Okay. So what is the final? That is a step 4. You did it only this one. The last column is there. That is last column. How to do that one also. Okay. Next step. You rewrite this one graph here. Hope you understood this one. Then you will write here only. Step 5, the last step, R naught of D, R naught of A, B, C, D, how that number of nodes have to be come off. This is the final steps. A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. The values written here. 0. You have the recent table. Now what is the step 4 table? You have to copy. Step 4 table, what are the values are there? Replace value, everything you have to write it. 10, 3, 4, 2, 0, 5, 6. That is changed infinity to 6. Then 9, 7, 0, 1. Then 6. Recent value 16, 9, 0. Here. Then you have to select D. D is existing here. Here and here. Then you have to select this one, this row, and this column. Yeah. Selected column you have to write on here. Column you written. Other than infinity and 0. Other than infinity 0 don't want to select. Other than infinity and 0 you have to select. Here it is 4. Yeah, you have to select A comma D. It is 4. B comma D. B comma D, it is 6. C comma 1. C comma D, sorry. C comma D, it is 1. Row. Then here D comma A, it is 6. D comma B. D comma B, it is 16. D comma C, 9. 0 don't want to take it. Make combination now. See, you have to make combination this one and this one, then this one and this one and this one and this one. Like that you have to go. Okay. A to D, D to A. A to D, D to A, consider to be A to A. That is A to A. Earlier I told comes A to A or B to B or C to C. No need to write formula on evaluating. They make it directly write 0. Irrespective of that calculation. That is comes 0 only. A to D, then D to B. A to D and D to B, consider A to B. A to B. Yeah, A to B. That may be written as minimum of A to B. It is written at A to, okay, A to thing, it is A to D plus, okay, D to B. Then minimum of A to B values. A to B, it is 10. A to D is 4 plus 16. Which is better? 20 is better or 10 is better? 10 itself is better. No need to change. The A to B is 10. We don't want to replace same, or it is same value already. No need to change. Next combination A to D, then D to C, consider to be A to C. A to C, it is minimum of A to C, the written as A to D plus D to C. If you consider, the minimum is A to C is 3, A to D is 4, D to C is 9. Okay, when compared to 3 and 13, anyway 3 is better one. 3 is, okay, 3 is better one. Then A to C already is 3. We don't want to write here. Okay. Then next combination. This with all three combinations over. Now go for this with the all three combination. This one. Oh, this is understood. I'm rubbing this one. Here, B to D and D to A consider B to A. That is B to A can be written as minimum of B to A, B to D plus D to B to D plus D to A. Yeah. Then minimum of B to A. B to A is 2. B to D is 6 plus D to A is 6. Okay. Anyway, compare this one 12 with 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. This compare with the 2, which is the minimum. It is 2. 2 is the best. Then B to A, it's 2 already it is there. No need to replace. Next combination we make it B to D with the D to B. B to D, D to B, consider B to B, then no need to evaluate, it is 0, understood, no need to evaluate that is. Okay, consider this straight path, 0 itself. Now next combination we take it this way, B to D, D to C, B to C, right, B to C, that is, right, as a minimum of B to C, it is B to D plus D to C, you make a combination. The minimum of B to C is 5, then B to D is 6, D to C is 9, and compare this one, 5 itself lesser, 6 plus 9 is 15, then B to C already it is 5 is there, no need to replace, the value is retaining same value, okay, no change in value now, until now. Now again, see here, after this, make a combination, okay, B to D, C to D with the all remaining rows edges, C to D with the D to A, C to D with the D to A, consider C to A, C to A, that combination if you make it, the minimum of C to A, it is C to D plus D to A, the minimum of C to A is 9, C to D is 1 plus D to A is 6. Out of this, 9 is better or 7 is better? Anyway, it's matter, 7 is better. See, 7 is better. 1 plus 6 is 7 is lesser than 9. Then if you consider C to D with the D to B, C to D with the D to B, consider C to B. The C to B, it is written as minimum of C to B, comma, C to D plus D to B, then minimum of C to B. C to B, what? C to B is 7. Then C to D is 1 plus D to B is 16. Okay, then compare this. 17 is better or 7 is better? 17 is better or 7 is better? 7 is lesser compared to 17. Okay, then here comes C to B. C to B 7 is there. No need to replace. Already 7 only it is there. Okay, next combination. C to D.
Yes, one is.
C to D and D to C, consider be C to C. C to C. Okay, no need to calculation, is 0. It's finished. Steps are finished. All row and all columns are selected this way. Then you have to write conclusion. Final conclusion you have to write. Final conclusion. Here simple. You have to write all pair, shortest path.
7 should be updated. C to A.
C to
A.
yeah, C to A Yeah, I forgot to replace. Okay, please rectify that one. You have to replace 7 to C to A. It is 7. Yeah, this is C to A. C to A earlier value is 9. The new value came up 7. Yes, that's right. That's right. Remaining everything is the value is right. All pairs shortest path. Conclusion you have to write. All pairs shortest path. Then what is the table is left out? We are in A, B, C, D. That value have to be copy. A, B, C, D. Then values are 0, 10, 3, 4, 2, 0, 5, 6, 7, 7, 0, 1, 6, 16, 9, 0. What do you understand from this? Okay. See, this is the examiner. They are going to see this one, this table. If everything values are right, they will give complete marks. It may be 8 or 10 marks in the main exam. 8 in a 10 marks will come off. They will give the complete marks if your values are right this way. Then, what is the understand from A to A? That is actually meaning that A to A, it is value is 0 is a distance. A to B is it is 10. That actually indicate A to B. See, if you want to go A to B, we can't go this way. See, there is a path is there. You have to travel like this, travel this way. That is 3 plus 7 is 10. The value is 10 here. Like that. A to C, there is a straight path is there. There is A to C is, it is 3. Like that, the B to A is shortest path is 2. B to B is 0. B to C, B to C, see we can go this way. This way. That is 2 plus 3 it is, that's why it is 5. Like that, it will be okay. B to D is 6. Like that, there is a shortest path of all the cities. Consider these are cities with irrespective of one to another cities. The values are given. This is the best distance. Thank you so much. Okay.